Hi folks, and welcome to today's video, at home lower back decompression stretches. Now, every week I try to bring you some content to help out those out there suffering from lower back issues, sciatica nerve pain, disc problems, herniations, etc. So if you do enjoy my content, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. You'll be notified when I upload something new for you. But without further ado, let's get into today's video. Okay folks, so today I want to show you 4 lower back decompression stretches that you can do at home. Now, why would you need to do these? Well, you could be suffering from herniated discs, bulging disc, sciatica nerve pain, or you may have a lot of muscular tension in your lower back, and you're looking for a way that you can decompress it. Now, if you do suffer from herniated discs, bulging discs, then decompression or traction therapy can actually release some of the pressure on those vertebrae where the discs have been herniated and allow for some of that herniated disc material to move back in, to actually for you to recover from that injury. So I'm going to show you 4 very simple decompression stretches you can do at home. So the first one here, I've actually got a frame here. This is a pull-up frame. But what you can do at home, you can actually hang from your door sills, okay, your door frame itself. So if I was at home and I can hang off the door like so, I just put my hands up here and take a good hold, and then I just want to, my feet are still touching the ground. I just want to bend my knees and let my body sink down. So I'm now supporting most of my weight with my hands. I've got a little bit of pressure on my feet, and I just want to hang here. And you'll start to feel that lower back start to ease off. And you want to do this for 10 to 15 seconds to start with, and you can work up to a minute, okay? Now, if you don't want to tear off your door sills, okay, it's perhaps, or you can't get your fingers in there properly, what you can also do, and I've got a towel here to show you, is you can throw a towel over the actual door itself. Now, if we pretend that this is the door, I've just opened the door here, you would swing it over the edge. Now I can't here because I'm going to lift the frame, so I'm just going to pretend this is the edge of my door here. Towel goes over, okay, grip quite highly up on the towel. My feet go either side of the door, like so, and then I just let my body sink down, and I just hold that position. So my bum is backwards, my bottom is back, and I'm just holding that position. And again, the more, so I kind of think my bum is going to the floor, I think about pushing my bum to the floor, the more decompression I'll get in that lower back region. Now, I must admit, when I'm holding, something with my arms, of course I am activating my lats, my back muscles here, so the decompression is not as good as the next 2 stretches I'm going to show you. But you must remember, what works for one person doesn't always work for the next person. And if you have pain or anything like that when you do these stretches, please stop immediately and try another one, okay? If you actually want to see the decompression stretch that I probably get the most relief from my own herniated discs, there's a video going to pop at the end of this one, which will take you straight to that video. It's an instructional video to show you how to do the decompression stretch that really worked well for me during my recovery. However, I'm going to show you 2 more at-home decompression stretches coming up in a second. Okay folks, so the 2 previous decompression stretches are me actually hanging from a post, pull-up bar, your door frame, edge of your door. And as I said, sometimes for some people they're not the most effective because they do activate the back here. Your back won't get total chance to relax off. If you're not too strong in the hands, it will be hard to hold your body weight. So the next ones are much more passive, okay? So we're going to imagine these 2 boxes are my bed, it could be the edge of the couch, could even be the kitchen table, yeah? And you want to use a rolled up towel like this, or perhaps you've got like a half foam roller or some couple of cushions, for example, you could use. And you're going to put these at the edge here, like so. And then we're just going to be coming onto our bed or our couch. And you just want to slide back so my legs are starting to hang off the edge there. And I just hang. And of course, I'm going to crush my microphone. And I just let my legs sink. And let my pelvis will start to open this part here. Okay, where the lower back region is. I can rest my hands in my head. And I just want to stay at 15, 20 seconds, up to a minute. And as the time goes by, you'll start to feel this area start to decompress. The muscles will start to relax off. As I said, guys, if the pain gets worse, you want to stop this. Okay, we'll try something else, all right? Put this here, relaxing. Now, you want to increase this further. What you can also do is if you've got a stool, smaller table perhaps, you can actually lie across it. I'm just going to show you in a second here. So again, You want a bit of padding, okay? This is just for the hip girdle region area where your pelvis is for the bones. Again, I'm using a hard box, right? This is not the best, but it's okay for demonstration purposes. So you would have, it could be a small poof, it could be a small table, one that you can actually lie across, and you end up something like this. So we're down again, and this time, push that out the way, I've got my lower body is dropping one way, but also part of my upper body is dropping over the top here. And this gives us almost like a two-way decompression. I've got the upper body moving up the way, lower body moving down, and it will create decompression at my lower back region. And again, 15, 20 seconds, working up to a minute. Now you want to relax down. If I relax, I'm going to squash my microphone, so just bear with me for a second so you can see. So, as I relax down there, and let my upper body drop over the side, I could really feel my lower back start to open, the muscles start to be stretched, okay? So, guys, give those 4 a try at home, see which one works best for you. Any problems, questions, hit me up in the comments section. Don't forget, if you want to check out the decompression stretch that really worked well for my herniated disc journey, the video is going to pop up in just a few seconds at the end of this video. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed the content. Don't forget to like it, share it, and of course subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Have a great day.